Hi, and welcome to ExportKit. In this example, we're going to dive deeply into the actual WordPress styles that we will need to create for every theme. And this is very important, otherwise WordPress will use the default HTML styles of your browser, which is not what you're looking for. So be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for updates to new and upcoming videos. And let's jump right in. So with WordPress, let's take a look at a lot of the things that you will need. You will need an entry title, you'll need a widget title. Now the default theme name is EK theme, so this will allow you to control all HTML elements within without manipulating anything outside of it. So you're going to need your default paragraph, your block quote paragraph, your site, you're just going to need a lot. You're going to have to create these. Otherwise, like I said, WordPress will use the default, including any headers that you're going to need, any list items. There are a couple of important things such as tables. If you have any tables within WordPress, you're going to need to denote how they will be controlled, including your your captions. You're going to need to do everything, to be honest. Nav items are also required. So you can use the default theme settings that we have, and when you go into each, let's actually take a look. What you're going to need to do is now change the names to match what you're looking for in WordPress. So let's actually go through this and see what we need to do to modify this. So this first is our entry title, not H3. Now you'll note that what I'm using are double brackets, and what this will do is in CSS this will show that this is a child class of the parent class EK theme, and this will allow you to add virtually any subclass that you require. So let's continue. So now that we've corrected all of our WordPress styles, what we can do is simply re-export. So update our styles. And now if we go to our pages, we'll see that now our text is updated to denote exactly what we've issued within our actual WordPress styles with XD.